Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Let's start and grow together. Pattern matching using like operator in SQL. If you don't know the exact word or phrase you are seeking, pattern matching allows you to search for a pattern or a sequences or a combination of characters in a given data. Pattern matching uses two operators like operator and regex operator. Like operator, it finds exact match to the given pattern inside the string using wildcards such as percentage, which represents 0, 1 or more characters, and underscore, which represents single characters. Next, we will perform practical to match following patterns inside the string. So let's say in the practical. To perform pattern matching, I have created table countries where it has country ID and country name columns, and I am inserting some values inside the table. So let's see the table. So now the table is ready, which has 7 records. Next we will see various pattern matching techniques using like operator with wildcards. Find countries name starting with U. Here we want to fetch countries name which are starting with U. So the query is select country name from countries where country name like U percentage. Here like and percentage wildcard is used to get pattern. Here U is the first character in the pattern because we want that the country's name should start with U, and after that there can be any number of characters and therefore percentage sign is given. As you know, percentage represents 0, 1 or any number of characters. So let's execute this statement. So in this way we got United States and United Kingdom countries whose name is starting with U. I hope this is clear. With next is find country's name ending with A. The query is select country name from countries where country name like percentage %A. Here percentage %A is used. It means that string should end with A and it can have any number of characters before A. So let's execute this statement. So here we got country's name ending with A as India, Russia, China. Next is find countries with S anywhere. So the query is select country name from countries where country name like percentage %S percentage. It means that the string can contain S anywhere. It can be in the beginning or in the end or it can be in between. So here we will get country's name which has S. Let's execute this statement. So here we got countries United States and Russia which has S in their name. Similarly, we can give multiple characters. Find country's name with in anywhere. So select country name from countries where country name like percentage in percentage. It means that string can contain in the beginning or in the end or in between. So let's execute this statement. So here we got output India which has in the beginning, China which has in between, and United Kingdom which has in between. So in this way we can search multiple characters in a string. Next is find country's name with n in second place. Query is select country name from countries where country name like underscore n percentage. Here underscore represents single character and in the second place we want n, therefore n is written. and percentage represents any number of characters. So let's execute this statement. So here we got countries with N in the second place: United States, India, and United Kingdom. Next is find country's name start with U and end with M. Select country name from countries where country name like U%M. As we want to search country's name which starts with U, therefore U is the first character and ends with M, therefore M is the last character. And in between there can be any number of characters and therefore percentage sign is given. So let's execute this statement. So here we got country name which starts with U and end with M. Next is find country's name starts with F and has at least 4 characters in length. The query is select country name from countries where country name like F, and here I have given 4 underscore and percentage sign. As country name should start with F, therefore first character F is given and then it should contain at least 4 characters and therefore 4 underscore is mentioned and percentage. So let's execute this statement. So here we got country name which is France, which starts with F and it has at least 4 characters. Next is find country's name that do not start with U. Sometimes we may need to search string which do not have certain characters. That time we will use not with like. So select country name from countries where country name not like U percentage. As we want to search countries which do not starts with U, U is the first character mentioned and percentage represents any number of characters. So let's execute this statement. Here we got countries name which do not start with U. India, Russia, China, German and France. So United Kingdom and United States are not mentioned here. In this way we can perform pattern matching using like operator with wildcards, percentage and underscore. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.